he is. Hey, you doofus! Huh? Uh-oh. Gotta go. Come on, guys, after him. Whoa, yeah, huh. Give it up, thief. Make me, race car. Darn, he's slippery. You guys give up? What do we do? Wait a minute, guys. I have an idea. What if half of us go on one side of the table, and the other half go on the other side, and then we won't have to chase him around in circles? Man, that's awfully risky. It sure is, but at this point I'm willing to try anything. That's nice thinking, Booster. Anyway. Why, thanks, Mr. the King. Alright, let's do it! Hey, it worked! You rusty pieces of junk! Get your dirty tires off of me! Shut up, thief.